So far in this series, we've built a solid foundation. We can add, view, delete, update, search, and even sort names from our SQLite database using Streamlit. In this video, we're going to add a name count feature, a really useful tool if you want to keep track of how many entries your app currently has. Let's go through the code together. We first give our app a title, name count feature, nice and clear. Then we create a function to count the total number of names using SQL's count function. Simple but powerful. This gives us one number. How many rows are in the people table? Next, we take it a step further. We write another function that groups the names by their first letter and counts how many names start with each one. Upper to normalize the case and group by to get the count per letter. Then we display the total count using st.subheader, and right below that, we show the grouped counts for each letter. Let's run the app and see what happens. Scrolling down, there it is. We can now see the total number of names and how they're grouped alphabetically. Let's add one more name to the database and check if the counts update in real time. Yep, now we've got 10 entries and the data refreshes automatically. Super smooth. In the next video, we'll continue improving our app even more. See you there.